Mabuhay from the beautiful city of Manila. I'm back also for the channel FragranceX, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of these fragrances that I bought in the quarantine period. Now it's been a while after I last did an unboxing video, and finally, after much delays because of the global crisis that we're experiencing right now, my packages arrived already. So, what are we waiting for? Wanna find out what fragrances are inside these packages? Stay tuned! First of all, I would like to thank my very good friend Mr. Carlos Piranha for giving me these decants right here. A decant of Creed Aventus batch 17W01, a decant of Surge of Italica, and a decant of Black Phantom by the House of Kilian. Thank you so much, Carlos. I'll be doing my review of these two fragrances right here soon. This first package right here was sent to me by Sir Mike Neres. Thank you so much, Sir Mike, for sending me these samples. Now, I'll be opening this with my handy-dandy knife. Okay, so Sir Mike also sent me this one, Boucheron Iris de Syracuse. This one, Molecule 01. Okay, nice, Molecule 01, right here. I haven't smelled this fragrance yet. This one is Montal Vanilla Cake. Ooh, Montal Vanilla Cake, right there. What's this? ALM. I think this is Oud Lemon Mint by the House of Mancera. Right here. Ooh, Layered Audacity. Right there. Layered Audacity. And this last decants right here. I think this is from the House of Atelier. This one is Cedrat Envirant Trèfle Pur. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Right there. Trèfle Pur. This package right here was sent to me by my very good friend Victor of the channel Your Average Fraghead. If you want to check out his channel, I'll put the link down below. He's a fellow fragrance YouTube reviewer here in the Philippines. So, show some love, guys. Make sure to check out his channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for his channel. So, I'll be opening this package using my handy-dandy knife. Right there. Wow! Victor packed it well. Very well. Even includes this one. So, what are inside of this package? This is Supremacy Silver by the House of Afnan. Right here. Afnan Supremacy Silver. Next is La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. I hope I get it right this time. The pronunciation. Yves Saint Laurent. I'll be needing this La Nuit de l'Homme later on as I unbox this next package. Next one is, oh, this one is a big one. Armaf limited edition right here. Club de Nuit Intense Man limited edition. Again, I'll be needing this one as well later on. This one, wow, guys, Nishane Ani. Oh, Victor, you gave me much juice. Wow, thank you so much, Victor. Initial side effect. Wow, Victor, thank you so much. I haven't smelled this one yet. There's no label, so I still have to find out what this fragrance is. I'll ask him. Chemical engineer, right there. Thank you so much, Victor, for sending me these decants, for giving me these decants, and for lending me your other bottles as well. Thank you so much, Victor. So next package right here. I bought this from FragranceX. Now, this is my first time to be buying from FragranceX, and I ordered from March 31, and this package right here was delivered last May 2. So, it took for about 1 month for this package to arrive. Considering that we have a global crisis right now, that's pretty fast already, about a month. So, I got these two fragrances right here from FragranceX. These are just cheapies, guys. So, let's go and open this package right here. There you go, guys. Wow. Whoa. As you can see right here. There. So these are Sculpture Homme right here by the House of Nikos Parfums. And this one, this is a tester, guys, and this is right there, don't know if you can see it, guys, Altamir by the House of Ted Lapidus. And ta-da! Wow, This is the fragrance, guys. Altamir by the House of Ted Lapidus. Okay, so it's time to open this. Sculpture by the House of Nikos Parfums. This cost me about, I think, 1,100 pesos. Roughly about $20 US. Very cheapy fragrance. Okay. So, you'll be the first one to see it, guys. Right there. Okay. Ta-da! Here goes Sculpture Om. Right here. Now, on to my next package. We have here this one. I bought this from Lazada Philippines. These are actually 2 packages. I just hope this is the right item. Okay, so let's open this one. And it's here. Right here. And this one is the correct package. Thank God, this is the correct one. The correct item. Nike Intense. Nike the Perfume Man Intense. Now, I bought these 2 fragrances right here because of my brother Joy Amin. Now, he said that this is a good alternative to La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, I'll be opening again the other package. I hope this one is right as well. Okay. Looks like we have the same package. Nike the Perfume right here, Man Intense. Okay, so I'll just be opening one because this one is my backup bottle. I got this for about 500 pesos, roughly about $10 US. By the way, I got this Altamir right here for about 800 pesos, roughly about 18 US dollars, 17 US dollars. So let's open this Nike perfume right here. This one is a very cheap alternative to La Nuit de l'Homme, as they say. Very cheap, 500 pesos, 10 US dollars. So you'll be the first ones to see this. What's inside of this package? Right there. Okay. Okay, so this one is the bottle itself, Nike the Perfume Man Intense. These next 2 packages I bought from Perfumes of Dubai. Right here, this one, Club de Nuit Intense Man Eau de Parfum, the 200 milliliter bottle. Very large bottle. As you can see, the box is very humongous. The next one is from the house of Stefan Humbert Lucas 777 Col de Barin. Now, this one is my most expensive fragrance yet in my fragrance collection so far, guys. So let's open this Club de Nuit Intense Man Eau de Parfum. Okay. So as we open this one, we can see a very familiar paper right here. A very familiar paper right there. And when we open this one, we can see here the bottle itself. Now, it's kind of dark inside, of course. There's the bottle. Very big bottle, guys. Wow. And this is, wow, guys, a very big bottle. Okay. And the last but not the least, this is my birthday gift to myself. But it didn't make it. So, let's open this Col de Barin by the house of Stefan Humbert Lucas. Right here. Now, as you can see in front, Col de Barin 777, Stefan Humbert Lucas. At the back, we can see here information regarding this bottle. Okay, so how do we open this one? Okay, so we'll slide it like that. Be careful when you're opening your package. Oh, something. What's this? Barcode. There. Barcode. Okay. And the, oh god, just look at this box. It's screaming elegance, guys. You'll be the first one again to see what's inside. Careful. Whoa! Can you see it, guys? Wow. Wow, just look at the bottle. My god. This is my most expensive fragrance so far in my fragrance collection. As you can see here, the details. Right there. And this is the bottle itself. Wow, my Col de Bahrain, my first Stefan, yung Bert Lucas bottle. Right here. Again, this was supposed to be my birthday gift to myself, but it's better late than never. Okay, so I'll now be smelling these fragrances that I've unboxed, and we'll see if I made the right choice of buying these fragrances. Okay, time to sniff these bad boys right here. So I'll be starting off with this Nike, the perfume Man Intense. Now, this was supposed to be a clone of this La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, I really hope I pronounce it right this time. Thank you, Victor, for reminding me of how to pronounce it right. Okay, I'll be spraying this Nike the perfume here on my brain paper right here, as well as this La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay, first of all, let's spray this Nike the perfume. Nothing came out on the first try. Nothing on the second. Third. Okay. Okay. It's a very familiar smell already. But I'll still have to spray this La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay, La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay, I'll smell first the original La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay. So the cardamom blast is really strong in this La Nuit de l'Homme. That nutty vibe really is because of the cardamom. Now, time to smell this Nike the Perfume Intense Man. Wow. Okay. Wow. They're the same, guys. They're pretty much identical. I don't know how Nike, I think this is pronounced as Nike. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong a while ago, but I think this is pronounced as Nike, not Nike. Nike is the shoe brand. Nike is this fragrance house right here. If this La Nuit de l'Homme costs about 3,000 to 4,000 pesos, roughly about 60 to 80 US dollars, you can overspray this bad boy right here, Nike the Perfume, for just about 10 US dollars. See the price difference, guys. Very good alternative to La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay, next, we have here Altamir by the House of Ted Lapidus. Now, I bought this fragrance because I'm looking for another good alternative to Gaultier 2 by the House of Jean Paul Gaultier, because I don't want to run out of juice of this bad boy right here. I bought this in Singapore and it's very hard to find already. I stumbled upon this fragrance in my fragrance adventure in Singapore. If you want to watch it, I'll put the link here. Okay, time to smell this bad boy right here. I'm gonna spray it again here on my brain paper. Both of these fragrances right here. Starting off with this Ted Lapidus Altamir. Okay, something came out already because I think this is a tester bottle right here, but I really don't mind. As long as it smells good. Okay. Wow. Wow, it really, I know the smell of this Jean Paul Gaultier 2. And right off the bat, I'm happy already. Okay. Smelling this, just one spray. Okay, just one spray. Okay. Ooh, okay. Very happy with this already. Just the initial blast, I smelled it already. It's Gaultier 2. Okay. That very rich amber, that very sweet amber is really good. Really good smelling this Gaultier 2. Wow, very relaxing scent, guys. The sweetness in this Gaultier 2 is not that cloying. Really not cloying, guys. Now, time to smell this Altamir. Wow! They're not the same, but Altamir really has the vibe of this Gaultier 2. I can detect the difference right off the bat, but Altamir is at the same ballpark with this Gaultier 2. To my nose, it's about, I think, 90% identical to Gaultier 2. This Gaultier 2 is somehow richer, sweeter compared with this Altamir. But I'm not complaining. For the price of 800 pesos, roughly about 18 US dollars, what can you ask for more? This is the closest alternative to Gaultier 2 that I've smelled. Okay? So, next on the list, we have here Sculpture Homme. Now, I've smelled this fragrance before, and this is a citrus fragrance. and I'll be spraying it on my brain paper right here. Nothing came out on the first spray, nothing on the second. There, on the third, really good sprayer, guys. Very good sprayer. Okay, so it really has this very citrus vibe. I think this has something to do with the floral notes. Perfect for the hot weather, especially here in the Philippines. Now, this bad boy right here. Club de Nuit Intense. Man, the 200 milliliter bottle. Now, comparing these two fragrances right here. This one is a very humongous bottle, as you can see right here. Now, this one is the Eau de Parfum take of Armaf, their original Club de Nuit Intense. Man. So, okay, so the sprayer is black. So, I'll be comparing with this Club de Nuit Intense, man, Eau de Parfum, with the Eau de Toilette and the limited edition. This is my very first time to smell the limited edition as well. Thank you so much, Victor, for lending me your bottle. Okay, something came out already on the first spray. Okay, I can smell it right away, guys. Okay, Eau de Toilette and the limited edition. Okay, limited edition. Let's start first with the Eau de Toilette. It's the basis. Really harsh opening. That Lemon Pledge harsh opening is there here in Eau de Toilette. Now, let's smell the limited edition. Oh, okay. So the limited edition doesn't have that harsh opening. Now, let's move on to this Eau de Parfum. Okay, it also doesn't have that very harsh opening. Between this limited edition and this Eau de Parfum, they really smell the same. The Eau de Parfum smells similar with the limited edition. I'll also be spraying this Eau de Parfum here on my skin just to see the difference between the limited edition. Because many are asking if these two are the same. Because here in the limited edition, it says Eau de Parfum, and this is an Eau de Parfum, so I don't see any difference at all, just the packaging. So for the initial spray of these two fragrances, the EDP first. Guys, this fragrance doesn't have the harsh opening that the Eau de Toilette has. And the limited edition, it's even more smoother than this Eau de Parfum. It's raining here already, so you might hear the rain. So that's the difference that I can detect in these two fragrances. Eau de Parfum still has the strength, but the harsh opening is not there. However, the limited edition is the smoothest of these three fragrances right here. But again, that's just my first impressions of this Eau de Parfum and this limited edition. And last but not the least, this one, my birthday gift to myself, Col de Bahrain by the house of Stefan Humbert Lucas. Now, I've smelled this before and it was love at first sniff. So let's see if it's still a love at first sniff. And let's spray this fragrance. I'm spraying it here on my brain paper. Nothing came out on the first. Nothing on the second. There you go. Third, but I missed the paper. There you go. 2 sprays. Happy birthday. Wow, guys. Wow, the iris really smells good in this fragrance. Oh, wow. You can really appreciate that sticky, waxy, lipsticky vibe because of the iris. And some sort of, let's say, some fruity vibe in this fragrance. And I'm really happy with this purchase right here. Too bad it didn't make it on my birthday, but again, it's better late than never. Finally, I have this Col de Bahrain already. My most expensive fragrance so far in my fragrance collection. You saw my unboxing, you heard my first impressions. Now what are your thoughts with regards to these fragrances that I bought in this quarantine period? What fragrances did you buy in this quarantine period? Again, leave your comments down below and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, FragranceRx. Again, this is Wedza for the channel FragranceRx, your fragrance doctor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and stay fragrant and stay safe.